Hi, I'm going to show you how you can make a booking, including flights, car and hotel. From this screen, the settings wheel will have a user help guide in case you get stuck. Also, this is where your profile sits, which includes your contact email, mobile number, frequent flyer details and other memberships. To start your booking, click on Trip Planner. Search for the traveller using first name, surname or email address. Type in your departure city by a 3-letter code or type out the city in full. Select your departure date, your preferred departure time, your return date and return time. The flights will appear. Some will be in green. The ones in green sit within your travel policy, and these are the flights that should be selected. I'm going to choose Virgin at 9:55 and returning with Qantas at 2:10. At this point I can select seats. The seats will be shown as per your membership eligibility and status. Today I'm going to skip seats. Now I can add a car. The times and dates are pre-populated. All the car companies will be listed. Be careful as it shows automatic and manual transmission. Choose the car and now I can add a hotel. I can search by city, by hotel name, or I can search by address. If you search by address, on the next page a map will appear and it will show you the hotels that are closest to that address. If I zoom in, this is the closest hotel. I can click it and I can click view, and now it will show me the rates for the hotel. It's in green, so it sits inside my travel policy, and I can select that. I have now built my itinerary, including flights, accommodation and cars, and I need to submit for approval, select my approver, choose my department, enter my reason for travel, click that I have read and accepted the fare rules, terms and conditions once I've read them, and submit. Booking's made.